Friends, any guesses what we are going to learn today? Yes, you are right. Today we are going to learn about plants. We see many types of plants around us. Plants are very useful to us. They give us food, fruits, vegetables and flowers. Plants keep the air cool and fresh. They also make the surroundings look beautiful. Plants need water, air and sunlight to grow. Plants can make their own food with the help of sunlight. Parts of a plant: roots, stem, leaves, flower. Some plants also give us fruits and vegetables. Friends, shall we draw the plant? Will you all help me? Come on. Parts of a plant. Now let us draw a stem. These are branches. These are leaves. This is a flower. These are roots. Now let us label them. This is flower. These two are leaves. This is a stem. These two are branches. And these are roots. So friends, in a plant we have flower, leaves, branches, stem and roots. Plants are mainly of three types: trees, shrub and herbs, climbers. Types of plants. First, trees. Second, shrubs and herbs. Third, climbers. So, plants are mainly of three types: trees, shrubs and herbs, and climbers. Types of plants: trees, shrubs and herbs, and climbers. Now let us take a look at them one by one. Trees. Big and tall plants are called trees. They are very strong and they stand straight. They have thick and woody stem known as trunk. Some of the example of trees are mango tree, coconut tree and neem tree. Shrubs and herbs. Shrubs are smaller than the trees. An example of shrubs are cotton. Some plants are very small and these plants are known as herbs. An example of herbs is spinach. Climbers. Climbers can't stand straight. They need support to climb up. An example of climbers is watermelon and grapes. Now let us revise it once again. Types of plants. There are mainly three types of plants: trees, shrubs and herbs, and climbers. First, let us have a look at trees. Trees are big and tall plants. They are very strong and stand straight. They have thick and woody stem known as trunk. Some of the example of trees are mango tree, coconut tree and neem tree. Second, shrubs and herbs. Shrubs are smaller than the trees. Example of shrub is cotton. Some plants are very small. They are known as herbs. Example of herbs is spinach. Third, climbers. Climbers cannot stand straight. They need support to climb up. Example of climbers is watermelon and grapes. Now I am going to show you some pictures of plants. Now I am going to show you some pictures of trees. Now I am going to show you some pictures of shrubs and herbs. Now I am going to show you some pictures of climbers. Now let us draw a tree. Which tree should I draw? Coconut tree. These are roots of coconut tree. This is a trunk. These are leaves of coconut tree. These are leaves of coconut tree. And now let us draw coconuts. These are coconuts. Now shall we label them? Roots, trunk, fruits, and leaves. So, coconut tree is an example of tree having different parts like leaves, fruits, trunk and roots. Now let us draw an example of shrubs. This is a stem. These are branches. These are roots. These are leaves. And this is a cotton. So now let us label them. This is cotton. These are branches. This is a stem. These are leaves. And these are roots. So, cotton is an example of shrubs which has stem, branches, leaves and roots. Now let us draw an example of herbs. This is a soil where very small plants like herbs grow. An example is spinach. This is the stem. These are leaves of spinach. And these are roots. So, spinach is an example of herbs which has leaves, stem and roots. Now let us label them. Leaves, stem and roots. Now let us draw an example of climbers. This is a soil and climbers need support to grow. So this is a support where climbers grow. This is the stem of climbers. And these are roots. These are leaves. And now I am going to draw fruits. So watermelon is an example of climbers. These are watermelons. So now let us label them. These are leaves. These are fruits. This is a stem which grow on support. And these are roots. So, watermelon is an example of climbers. Points to remember. Plants are very useful. They give us food. They need water, air and sunlight to grow. And big plants are called trees. Now tell me, what is this? Remember, I have shown you this earlier? Yes, you are right. These are roots. Now tell me, what is this? Come on fast. Yes, you are right. These are leaves. Now tell me, what is this? Come on fast. What is this? Yes, this is stem. Now tell me, what is this? You all know it. I've shown you earlier. Yes, you are right. This is flower. Now tell me, what is this? Which part of the plant is this? Remember I told you earlier? Yes, this is fruit. Now tell me, what is this? Come on fast. Yes, you are right. This is vegetable. Match the following. Trees. What are the quality of trees? Need support to climb? No. Yes, trees are big plants. Herbs. What are the property of herbs? They need support to climb. They are smaller than trees. No, they are very small plants. Shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than trees. And climbers. Climbers needs support to climb. So now let us revise them. Trees are big plants. Herbs are very small plants. Shrubs are smaller than trees. and climbers needs support to climb. Answer the following. Give 3 uses of plants. Name any 3 useful things we get from plants. Give 3 uses of plants. We get food from the plant. Second, keeps the air cool and fresh. And third, makes the place look nice. So what are 3 different uses of plants? We get food from the plant. They keeps the air cool and fresh. They makes the place look nice. Name any 3 useful things we get from the plant. Remember I told you earlier what all we get from the plants? Yes, we get fruits, vegetables and flowers. So, we get fruits, vegetables and flowers from the plant.